Make a great choice today with the 2015 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.